Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. Comic Relief Introduction. Comic relief is a theatrical technique that involves the introduction of humorous and light-hearted elements such as comic characters, witty speeches, or amusing scenes within a serious or tragic work, especially in dramas. This technique, prevalent in Elizabethan tragedy, serves multiple purposes, from providing moments of levity and tension relief for the audience to enhancing the overall thematic significance of the play. In this lecture, we will explore the concept of comic relief, its historical origins, its varied applications in different dramatic works, and its enduring impact on the world of theatre. Historical origins of comic relief. Comic relief has a long history in the world of drama, with its roots dating back to ancient theatrical traditions. Early dramatists recognized the need to balance serious and tragic themes with lighter elements to maintain audience engagement and prevent emotional fatigue. One of the earliest examples of comic relief can be found in the works of ancient Greek playwrights who incorporated humorous interludes or characters in their tragedies. These comedic breaks allowed spectators to briefly distance themselves from the intensity of the tragic events unfolding on the stage. The role of comic relief in Elizabethan tragedy. During the Elizabethan era, particularly in the works of William Shakespeare and his contemporaries, comic relief became a prevalent feature in tragedies. Shakespeare in particular was a master of weaving humor into his tragedies without compromising the gravity of the central plot. Notable examples include the gravedigger's scene in Hamlet, the drunken porter's scene in Macbeth, and the antics of Sir John Falstaff in Henry IV. In these instances, the lighter moments offer temporary relief from the mounting tension while offering insight into human nature and societal dynamics. Integrating comic relief with the plot. The effectiveness of comic relief lies in its seamless integration with the main plot. Rather than existing as standalone comic interludes, the humor and wit serve to enhance the depth and complexity of the characters and their experiences. When skillfully employed, comic relief can provide sharp contrasts, highlighting the gravity of tragic elements and the frailty of human existence. This integration requires a delicate balance, ensuring that humor does not trivialize the serious themes, but instead enriches the audience's understanding of the characters and their dilemmas. Enduring impact of comic relief. The tradition of comic relief has persisted over the centuries, evolving to suit changing theatrical tastes and sensibilities. In modern theatre, playwrights continue to use humor as a tool for exploring human emotions and societal issues. Comic relief remains a powerful mechanism for drawing audiences into complex narratives, fostering emotional connections, and enhancing the overall theatrical experience. Conclusion. Comic relief as a technique in dramas has a rich history and continues to be an influential aspect of modern theatre. From its origins in ancient Greek plays to its integration in Elizabethan tragedies, this interplay of humor and seriousness has proven its enduring appeal. Skillful use of comic relief not only provides relief from tense and tragic moments, but also deepens the audience's engagement with the characters and the themes explored in the play. So this was the discussion on the term comic relief. We will meet in the next video with some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.